Yes, hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and down below are small tiny things that you can do as a man to make your relationship work. Would you like a one-on-one counseling session? Go to noraarake.com/booking, and if you'd like to purchase any of our herbal health products, go to noraarake.com/show. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Number 1, when she stares at your mouth, kiss her. Number 2, when she pushes you or hits you like a dummy because she thinks for some reason you are in the wrong and she's stronger than you, grab her, hold her tight and don't let go. Number 3, when she starts cussing at you and acting all tough, kiss her and tell her you love her. Number 4, when she's quiet, ask her what's wrong. Number 5, is she ignoring you? Give her your attention. Number 6, when she pulls away, pull her back. Number 7, when you see her at her worst, tell her she is beautiful. Number 8, when you see her starting to cry, just hold her tight and don't say a word. Number 9, do you see her walking? Sneak up on her and hug her waist from behind. Number 10, is she scared? Protect her. Number 11, when she steals your favorite cup, let her keep it and sleep with it for a night. Number 12, when she teases you, tease her back and make her laugh. Number 13, when she doesn't answer for a long time, reassure her that everything is fine. Number 14, when she looks at you with doubt, reassure her. Back yourself up. Number 15, when she says she loves you, she really does, more than you can even understand. Number 16, when she grabs you by your hand, grab hers back and play with her fingers. Number 17, when she bumps into you, bump back into her and make her laugh. Number 18, has she told you a secret? Keep it safe and untold. Number 19, trust her. Number 20, when she looks at you in the eyes, look back at her. Don't look away until she does. 21, remember, when she says it's over, she still wants you to be hers. 22, when she shares this video or tags you into this video, she wants you to watch it. She wants you to do this. 23, stay on the phone with her, even if she's not doing anything. 24, when she's mad, hug her tight and don't let go. 25, when she says it's okay, don't believe her. Talk with her. Comfort her. She will remember this moment for many more years to come. She will never forget it. 26, call her at midnight, 12 a.m. on her birthday and tell her you love her. Tell her you were glad on that day a princess was born into this world. 27, treat her like she's all that matters to you. 28, stay up with her all night when she's sick, even if she has cramps. 29, watch her favorite movie with her or her favorite series, even if you feel it's stupid, even if you think it's stupid. 30, give her your world and everything in it. 31, let her wear your clothes. 32, in order to be a king, you need a queen. Make her one. 33, tell her what you had for lunch. 34, Say thank you even for the smallest things. 35. Work out together, work out with her. 36. Give her a foot rub or a back rub. That doesn't lead to sex this time. 37. Show positive interest in random things that interest her. Next, go on a double date with her. Next, schedule actual couple time, even if it's just 15 minutes before bed. And in that time, put the phones away. Next, help her with housework. Next, get pumped up for her good news and accomplishments. Show her you're happy and excited for her. Next, talk about how your day was. Shower her with compliments. Name things that you love about her. Share a good laugh. Next, be appreciative. Next, cook for your partner. Next, leave sweet notes. Next, say sorry. Next, resolve issues ASAP. Next, be honest to yourself and to her. Next, be faithful. Tell the other girl you have a girl, you love her, you respect her, and you don't cheat on her. Next, fulfill your promise. Next, don't be too jealous or too paranoid. Be her partner and best friend. Give her good advice. Give pieces of advice here and there. Be patient with your partner. Be empathetic with her. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to know. And if you'd like to talk to someone about your relationship, go to noraarake.com/booking. And if you'd like to purchase any of our herbal organic products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Follow my handles. Twitter is @NoraCharimpa. Instagram is @Iam_Nora. Facebook is facebook.com/Nora82. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.